Ever wondered if your expensive skincare could last longer, perform better, or just feel more luxurious? This isn't just another mini fridge. It's a dedicated sanctuary for your beauty essentials, promising intelligent preservation right in your home or even your car. The HIONJIN Makeup Fridge, model HIONJIN09, steps in to offer that professional storage environment your cosmetics truly deserve. Forget strong light, humidity, or dust compromising your serums and creams. This beauty refrigerator maintains that just right temperature, ensuring your products stay potent and pristine, ready to deliver their best results every single time you reach for them. What immediately impresses is how thoughtfully the interior space has been designed. You're not just getting a cold box, you're getting a customizable storage solution. With 5 partition shelves that can be freely dismantled and adjusted, it's incredible how much you can fit inside. It truly maximizes its capacity, allowing you to organize everything from sheet masks to delicate eye creams with ease. This level of flexibility means you can tailor it perfectly to your current collection, and then reconfigure it as your beauty routine evolves. Beyond its smart functionality, the HIONJIN fridge boasts a truly beautiful appearance. This particular model, in its striking Black JoJo's Bizarre Adventure 1 colorway, adds a unique, stylish flair that's sure to be a conversation starter. It's not just a utility item, it's a statement piece that brings a touch of comfort and sophistication to any vanity or countertop. And talk about portability. This unit is designed to go wherever you do. Its compact size, measuring 378 by 260 by 300 millimeters, makes it incredibly easy to carry. Whether you're moving it from your bedroom to your bathroom or taking it on a road trip, its design ensures it's always ready. While the specific power plug type isn't detailed, its home portable car freezer designation strongly suggests versatile power options, making it ideal for both your home setup and on-the-go adventures. Just imagine having perfectly chilled skincare, even when you're away from home. Of course, when it comes to color, what you see on screen can sometimes vary slightly from the actual product, but the overall aesthetic and thoughtful design remain consistent. This HIONJIN beauty refrigerator isn't just about keeping things cool. It's about elevating your entire skincare experience, providing a professional, protected environment that helps your products perform their best, and ultimately brings you a little more comfort and luxury in your daily routine. Ultimately, if you're serious about preserving your skincare investments and appreciate a blend of intelligent design, customizable storage, and eye-catching aesthetics, this HIONJIN Makeup Fridge is an amazing addition that truly delivers on its promise of professional care.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.